Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to report about repair of normal hand pump in Rajasthan. The link and highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now on this registration form, you have to enter all the details. Enter your mobile number, phone number, proof of identification, identification number, name, father or husband name, email number, select the gender, and then you have to select the rural or urban, country, select the district, select the village, landmark 1, 2, 3, full address. Then you have to select the department, select the subject, select the complaint category. So then along with the captcha code and then click on the terms and conditions. So once you enter all the details, please review it and then click on the submit button. So after that, you will receive your grievance ID in the pop-up menu immediately after submitting the complaint. And you have to keep those details safe for future verification and reference purposes. Then you can track your complaint in the view grievance status option by giving the grievance ID mobile number. After receiving the complaint, the authorities will take necessary action to repair the normal hand pump. If the complaint is not addressed for more than 30 days, you can send a reminder about the complaint by selecting the send reminder recall of complaint option from this link. Also, a second reminder can also be given after 15 days of giving the first reminder. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be uploaded for this process. Then in fee section, so you have to pay for the as per the authorities request. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.